Hi everyone, it's Sutipong from Thailand. Today I'm gonna show you how to configure the redundancy system for the GENESIS64 framework. As you can see, this is the client. The client will be connecting to the primary server, and then when the primary server is down, it will switch to server B. And when the server A get back, it will switch back to server A. How to configure this? In the SCADA server, this is the server A. We need to configure the framework network here. Create the pair. For example, in this case, I will name it as the FWX in the column server name here. And then I need to specify the IP address or server name of the primary machine. In this case, it is the 251 and 252, the last IP address of the server A and server B. Okay, we need to configure this pair on both server, in this server A and also on the server B as well. And on the server, we need to configure the framework heartbeat for the faster switch between server A and server B by click on the framework server location, and yes, and then at the tab of .NET client, web HMI client, and server, also mobile client if you want, we need to configure the heartbeat checking. For the heartbeat rate, in this example, I will use 1 second and allow missed heartbeats 3 fail time here. Also at the web HMI client for 1 and 3 fail. Mobile client as well if you want. And at the server, we need to configure in both server. And for TIC client, if you have the TIC client, in this example I will use TIC client. In the TIC client, I need to configure the framework network as well, the same name and IP address of primary and secondary, and also configure framework server location for the heartbeat as well. Here, for 1 second heartbeat rate and 3 fail. Okay, now ready. You may need to restart the iconic framework service on the server for sure. For example, in this case, I will go to service and restart the iconic frameworks service. Here, I have restarted. Okay, now we get back to the client. This is the client. I create the new graphic display and put the alarm viewer here, and in the alarm viewer I link to the server FWX alarm server here at the grid 3. I add some real-time subscription and then browse for the tags. Here at network, we will find the FWX name, that is the pair of server A and server B. And then in my computer, alarm notification, and select FrameWorX. Okay. And I have also linked to MonitorWorks tags to monitor the server A and server B, is it active or not. Now testing. In the beginning, the server A is active, and this is the data from alarm server A. Now I will testing to disconnect the server A from the network, because it is the virtual machine. Then I can disconnect it from the network by go to File, Settings, and Network Adapter. As you can see, this is virtual switch. I will change it to not connect, and then hit OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. It will switch to server B, as you can see, and this is data from the server B. Here, server B is 252. And now I will switch back. I will connect the server A to the network. Sorry, here. Go to File Settings and add network adapter. Change from not connect to LAN and hit OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. OK, 6. OK. About 6 seconds. It will switch back. It may be faster. It's depend on the server. Is it busy or not? Okay. We will try again. We're trying to disconnect. And hit OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 seconds. It's switched to server B. And now connect the server A to the network. And hit OK. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. As you can see, it's depend on the server is busy or not. Okay. Thank you for watching.